share my latest diamond art painting. I received this single bird, which I chose because of the fact I like the way the colors are soft on the bird itself and in the background, the sky. And I also really like the foliage in green. It's pretty restful looking picture. Okay, so I want to measure it for you. It says in the advertisement that it's 12 inches by I think 16, but this is not quite 12, it's 11. Okay, and then here we have inches, no, 11, and then from this point to the end, okay, let me push this over. So we have 11, 12, 13, 14 and a half. Okay, that's up to here is 11. 12, 13, 14 and a half. All right. Their beads look nice. It's a lot of pale colors, which are really restful. And it's hard to see inside the packaging, but I think it's going to be a nice picture. It came with the little boat, the applicator, and the little sticky pad. I really appreciate this instruction, printed in pretty, nice size print, easy to read, color, and in particular number 3 is helpful to me because this says pay attention to your sitting position. It is a good choice to keep eyes from canvas more than 10 inches. In addition, have a rest after 50 to 60 minutes painting. So the first canvas I did, I had to raise it up with some thick textbooks so that I could be, it was comfortable for my eye level. I'm assuming I got it to around that point, 10 inches. I thought this was nice to include. And also they gave their little card, which is thank you from Nielden, N-I-E-L-D-E-N. And on the back is a contact for email, Facebook, and I believe they really want to know if you're satisfied because they include this on the insert as well. Okay, so the first one, I think I mentioned I gave it away and it was very nicely received. So this one I think I will be keeping. Show you, I'll turn it around. See. It's a pretty bird. It's going to be nice. Also, I noticed on the television news this morning that August is the Clear the Shelters month. So if you ask me, I feel that every day should be Clear the Shelters. There shouldn't be any animals in shelters. They belong in our homes, well loved and cared for. So if you have any room in your heart or you have the ability to adopt, you might like to look into that. I don't know what your local shelters provide in the way of cost provisions like for immunizations or spaying, neutering, but you can check with your local shelters. I'm not connected with them, but I'm just a person that loves animals, so that's my point. And thank you for sharing a little bit of your time with me today. I have a Tunisian square that I'm going to be putting up in a few minutes, and so you might like to see, those of you who were interested in the Tunisian square crochet tutorials that I did quite a few of. Okay, that's it. Have a wonderful Friday.